Grammar can feel tricky, but what if one simple picture could help you understand the present perfect tense better than hours of study? Let's make learning visual, practical, and easy. In the next 5 minutes, you're going to see how one photo can unlock the full power of the present perfect tense and make it feel totally natural. Let's look at this picture. Now, before we read anything, here's a secret you need to know. Present perfect is not about the past. It's not just about the present either. It's about the connection between the two. Imagine a bridge connecting the black and white past to the colorful present. That bridge is the present perfect. Whenever you say, "I have done something," you're walking across that bridge. You're saying, "Yes, this happened in the past, but it matters now." Got it? Great. Now let's read this picture together. Look at this photo. We see a happy family, a boy holding a trophy, a muddy dog, and a suitcase that's ready to go. There's also a calendar on the wall. So much is happening. And everything here can be described using the present perfect. Let me show you how. Let's start with the most common use. When something happened in the past, but the result is still important now. For example, the boy has won a trophy. He won it earlier, but he's holding it right now. That's the result. They have packed their suitcase. They packed it earlier, but it's ready to go now. The dog has gotten dirty. We can see the muddy paws, even though it happened a few minutes ago. So remember, use present perfect when the past action has a result that is still part of the present. Now let's talk about life experience. Something you've done at some point in your life, but you don't say exactly when. For example, he has won a prize. We don't know when, and it doesn't matter. The experience is what counts. You might ask, have you ever won a trophy like that? Present perfect is perfect for talking about life stories. Now look at the calendar behind them. The week isn't over, it's still happening. So we use the present perfect. They have done a lot this week. They have planned everything today. Use present perfect when the time period is not finished, like today, this week, or this year. We also use the present perfect for recent actions, especially with words like just, already, and yet. They have just finished packing. He has already won the prize. They haven't left yet. These words help describe something that happened recently and still matters now. Now imagine this family again. They have lived here for 5 years. They have had this dog since 2020. Use for to show the length of time, and use since to show when it started. Here are more examples. I have studied English for 2 years. I have known her since school. Now, let's clear up a common mistake. Wrong. He has won the trophy last week. That's incorrect, because last week is a finished time. Instead, say, he won the trophy last week. Use simple past with finished time words like yesterday, last year, or in 2015. Now it's your turn. Look at the picture again and try this. They have marked the calendar. She has printed the tickets. They have prepared everything. What else can you say using the present perfect? Write one sentence in the comments. So remember, the present perfect is the bridge between the past and the present. We use it to talk about results, experiences, unfinished time, recent actions, and time duration, using since and for. And now, you've mastered it. With just one picture, like this video, subscribe for more grammar lessons that use pictures and simple explanations to make English easy. You have done a great job today. Keep learning and keep smiling.